Tulai ma wine to awotambea unkung nas vani analysis aliala together a euro USD nas vani enlena ala na kana yote so a euro USD I'm in 3 months. So now from these 3 months akikikia na euro USD then ya downtrend mtawa from here by break main structure to the downside. Then from here again, back break another structure to the downside. In the higher time frame, Euro USD then fake kali like fake kali like as if a line say. But currently, lunya in the Euro USD then tries to react as one of it. Man tries to react as supply zone of it. So in 3 months time frame, I in I like Euro USD tries to react. I think that will be a very favorite zone because again candles of a formal line pin bar then with a small fair value gap then a very good zone, a very good zone the euro USD reactor there. So from now access again the zone now alone about in this a very pushful candle here in the call line, very push buy candle 3 months here call day calling no like full candle here me closer contraction okay in this candle here as one of them a closer contraction then in science na ways that most of us kasi sabi kala. But one thing that this contraction can do ya na even in which number 50% of this supply zone and then this other candle here in form about this other candle here and this one this other candle here just for doing currently you type pin bar like other an inside candle but from every indication na Ghana candle sell move in case liquidity from one side zeta into to the other side. So this candle we can sweep this 3 months liquidity like zeta kalelo in kasi continue. So in sweep liquidity now at least as I mean react me 50% of this our supply zone. So from there I just wanna expect a massive sell. Just wanna expect a massive sell. At least kesa chama zona vende se kesa li lon zone so di na number two kwa denta so denta kando yen ko closer by sequela take out this other previous month high 3 months high react casina kali kali so na expect so be look a bit euro USD then till the ke chama zona ve. Okay, then now just giluin machazo lo 3 months doing ma ba eme na bias aten na za bias ja de magia 1 month lo magi. Okay, lo at monthly structure numa. So the 3 months high I'm expect so my expect no way leave no way for some jam as be la enyen ta be kwela. The highs the amani maka bet na 3 months candle na e. So mo macheza kasi giluin the mark internal monthly candle see form ayala na ya na a CRT form my I am black candle in tala intama draw line na ya basa fente intama draw ayelo na okay good. So wait mingi this other this November candle timingi for liquidity take out the down the low of this October candle kasi close antenna then December candle give me loin ko take for the high If it's the high tea, but yen kind of yen very bullish. Akabu yen a very strong bullish kind of thing. Now struggle now and come for sales. At least you have to look for more buys because from the 3 months here, I mean, the way they know almost for this once with this 3 months high, man, there was a bit. So yes, Wakayasabana from the moon in the nice Wakayasabas it is a sales align despite the fact now achievement this other liquidity because this 3 months high barrier. Okay. From there Louis. That's as long as I mark me from here Louis there. I just lower 1 month Louis color 1 week. Voila, I can do 1 week. Much of the lines in the never clear. So at the 3 months highs I'm target target na price for some in them as a bit. So then now yes I need to thing yes I bullish till that's an if it's this 3 months high till that's an if it's this 3 months high as an makala just as a lie the bit na bit kana as one bit low maybe as a bit almost a bang because from there yeah very yes one kind of massively way in the long run you bearish so normally yeah you look now these structures as a mark that internal structures so yes I just kilo as I in since November 25th. Yeah, a win bit, look a bit, little bit, look a bit, little. I think you form. I notice like a one sale candle to give for my life. Because you for my at December 15th. Then the previous candle, look, you now look at a bullish candle. So with I just say now, I just say a massive bullish candle. So like 1, 2, 3, 4 align. Now I'm check the now I'm a bit, little bit, way. And now a fatal mistake. Voila. So anakalo ina still bias jana ba nit na kunku ankun nan ankun so like bias jalo ba nit kun nit to yun to make sure na chok officer this high. Yes, never the trend is your friend. So ana target kana until the wa into way for the high amen zeva zito so check na know you have to start looking for sales that time. Okay, kasi say given a weekly. It was a weekly for sales wanara. Matese kia weekly la yewe monara. Matese ki weekly CRT. Ma mark this last week candle here. For mark here. Okay, look, aye nara. One thing you come on a line. Put twala line. Daka yes one go points of interest to tala line. Look. Points of interest to tala. Aye look nara. Ma first delete here. Tanaya. Ma zoom gisulun taba ye nara. Wait me ko ayo ni ko. For the high of last week. And then about shipment the sell side liquidity about a fine but makasi kalala ina we British sweep this buy side liquidity then na liquidity ba bet na la yen last week and ya look it is that this start line there fanga first the previous week low pretty take out this liquidity so then na liquidity ba bet na la so then to wait bullish there so expectation ye mulo naga sister buying some about chairman for the liquidity ya be kwe my expect na ba kasi kelo in kali for this low liquidity line loan there yes for massive sales yes for just for massive buys yes for sako basically and again just below I kind of way na jala balance so just below this low this last week's low fair value gamma fair value gap line then you able to mitigate I'm a mark fair value gap at na mark tawa ya look at na between these two areas kind of zala so my expect na at least we need to get loan to sweep this other low to sweep this low loan so tapa in a fair value gap now loan so cut there yes So what yen is expectation you matter no. So my expect lui no when kala lui take out liquidity yen this buy side liquidity from down here, mitigate this fair value gap, and then continue buying. Remember, our target is this 3 month high. This 3 month high. Okay, now with all this knowledge, look, I'm a mark this weekly fair value gap no man. I'm a mark them club. From now, look, I'm a daily, look. Yes, on the daily, look. This is a daily, yamate, look. While I am look now, I I boost line, I boost strip last week high. I look into last week high there. Weekly highs last week highs is 50 abasikwi unyente. So abus le line candle line bus ming le line suba na kasi close ta pin bar wakana pin bar ente nya den sell momentum. So man kalu na bambe lo no be lo ana a short term sell na de na sell atin kun kasa kali lo a last week low te ay na candle bichi kali close a last week low na. So na kana ba te ban liya te no be lo na kana ban liya te be lo kasa kali. So this last week low na so tap in. I cannot triangle yama draw day. At the fair value gap there and the draw weekly level. Na kana bandi at the cake is that and we so continue on the belly. So continue so be look at thing so for such a matter months level affairs in the na vamos take out men zeba continue so zeba continue so thereby kasi to from there because it has take out this 3 months high lawyers for confirmation line the sales make sure na for sell think it no betting yes so I the breakdown the so give me lunde but I lunde why me fair value gap na yes and maka monthly te why na fair value gap at daily day we no man have need off so loan yes what just call 4 hours time frame or intraday time frame yes wala so just kelo yan intraday time frame ayen loan na ma delete fair value gap na ayen na that weekly fair value gap a very good order block yes ayen na a very good alert mo we ni mingi lamata insote ayen na in the 4 hours alert yes I na san calculate na san calculate na yes and wait no way that 1 week that mun kana yes one care because abeka last week lows there lion there abeka last week lows amani bena like let me know where give me where kalima line where ni min where to min get line fanga kumba kasiko kala line reject kasiko kala line reject kasiko so a lot of stop orders are line no sell like so liquidity line burma ko is line then burma galo ma galo lamma line lamma in placement orders are line galo yang ada yun line de ngalam ko stop loss line so we need to kasi se kes ba sa fisa ngaloy sa tapa order block ni yes wa fe order block yes wa na enta a very powerful order block because our weekly our a fair value gap yes our a fair value gap so hindi loy na order block na ente yes wa sa another point of interest yes wa yes I have a very strong point of interest in yes wa there but one thing bong na below the other block there's a fair value gap also so di naka way gi chama line manipulate tabza other block of menze uzu ko so yes what yes yen we would desire line so an kana a very strong probability no wins other fair value gap of betting low bomb da order block point of interest yes why in there for this 4 hour order block and you a weekly fair value gap. So then look na yes one year yes why you win to get line. I forget one another confirmation yes why just in confirmation line. Yes why buna chit na ka always mana la yes why in confirmation la yes why zik ways yes why zik you a area fende. That yes yin good change of character at 1 hour or 15 minutes yes why zik you massively to the upside. But my way just get line found the full confirmation. Yes when I can ka away manipulate my lalo yang alam stop loss ala away shing ba for sa ngamay. Zeta ko kasi continue na yun ko. So look, that's why the line. That's why the line. Sister is one kind at least we yes we need to at least probability very high. One kind we na probability very high. No way ka ocean kasi kete. Tap other block of men zeta ka kasi choko obeki. Zeta kasi choko to. So look then yun na ga. Sunday na yes what yes na Euro USD line. Yes, IS was not counter trending and what kind of counter trend very very dangerous and counter trend they need a lot of confirmation man because from every indication this market is bullish until it takes out this 3 months high before we can start thinking about going bearish on Euro USD. Then I take out 3 months high that's by January I in Euro USD is so it's a bit from January. Na bit locally maybe throughout the year. I have an bit okay. So now then there's a color na that's what I want naturally advantage line. Then there's a color na some chairman for the last week's high. Na need a case for the last week's low. So strip liquidity and take momentum sa ko. So yes what I want JJ. That's what I want yung kali. Ka 15 minutes. Kung was a way barefoot. Voila. That yeah, 15 minutes loin there. Another structure so for 15 minutes. So then I as far as a bit is as a linum that counter trend sell a Euro USD as for yellow max structure a lower time frame in a break of structure line there. A 15 minutes break of structure there. Yeah. So afu bongi kama gia in a 15-minute break of structure aligned there. Yes. Then a break of structure, I come a break of structure there. Then wakati gilo in high naming kasi locally kali sweep by so mana inducement so never na so anyway na this first break of structure the first pullback na an inducement so price naman ko kasi kelo in kali sweep by may jefe kasi ko lo in ko break structure basically so ang kana any sweep inducement lo this low na a protected low they na a protected low there so they na a complete range lo there. So it was then you na at your other blogs where is a continuous a bit like a bit as a kung sales as an akung as one as you not like yes at the right structure there. So then we na and as an akung more short term buys as an is kinda ways a line loin there as for you target no for the higher ah yes at complete structure and bomb down akela ina but no break structure line full low kasi ko loin break structure basically but because for the loan can sweep the previous high which is liquidity which is inducement so this low now in the area a protected low a calling for break structure line so the doing now price basically area a very strong order block there So then lui na instead we just gi chama line factory aksa ko we just gi chama instead ke chama line lui break by and also a change of character already. So yes, and I need to be a little bit from here. I understand a lot now. So hindi na yes, what just a short term. So just in the way now when you think it's a bit so just case chama this 4 hour order block of fires and so you not enter. Adian a lot. Adian from here. Now we just a care. I just yes, I just candle close. 15-minute candle. Just a close this line. And that's a change of character as well. And can a break a protected law and a change of character. So yes, I just we Kali Lun, Kali Gichamalai. Instead, in the word after line now, who instead break Kali. Yes, one as a Kali as one can sales from an other block up here. Yes, so we just in you it as a mark other block. Yes, was in lead to this, in lead to this change of character. Then, then now wait go key easily counter trend sales on as well. Yes, as well calculate kete. Hmm. I mean, okay, as well kilo in daily low. As a target zone, may 1:3 at least. Ayano. But kana alla ke as well expect no way ke chamata bet na line. Kana as well expect no way must call it and call as well yin. As well just yin a change of character line to the upside. As well kana as well only a very like as well is a swing trade. As well high up. Yes, target pips so man. So bias MT line na ya. So bias MT from the number sweep in that weekly last week high. So my expect number carbon kasi kali sweep the last week low. Jeta ko also despite the fact that we are uptrend low. Despite the fact that we are uptrend low. Mun wait and I wait. Ah. So except na bagi reject zone here. Bagi reject zone this protected loan my yes. Yeah. Mabesi ba na ba ge ba sa fe. Mo ní video tẹ ya wá ìta ya má takẹ́ǹtì. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so why not? Adza vende. Fight the ends is so by you a valid break of structure from that in ministry liquidity line. In the ministry liquidity ya but it's not line there. I why think that we a valid break of structure. So then look na unchi the good shit wait as a just be. Gosh. Then wait as a kali. Chamala maybe kasi fufule ke wait as a kelun just ma just in to ni te. Yes, I'm a wait ki bela. Yes. But mo as a gi ke chamala because valid order blocker la mo as a gi le bon zala lo ma yen. Ufu a 5 minute change of character for the ngun kun sa yun. I'm a yun continue but from the summer treatment last week liquidity then and no. Ma fa kasi ko a daily. Ma ko daily ama yen na in the daily candle really a contraction. And this is a daily candle format no. You mean first let chinko loin sweep by. Kasi na ye push kala din in there in science na ke continue na kali so awai ta mun ko conviction now. Bana sa be was case this weekly liquidity betting So feel that weekly fair value gap bet in men them as so you so course so I wait in that way. As I said earlier, my thing. So I take key video then. Don't I take key breakdown I think because at least we can share one time. That's why name a small breakdown thing. I tell you about me, about here on any leave about me video. Or bong try to understand what is a concepts I analyze it because why I learn we use concepts start higher time frame concepts no matter junu nyang se candle range theory taman determine the draw on liquidity then my gilu chama 4 hours oh na say the entry sense of idea doing that we use that smart money concept to make sure na mark structure some say clearly mark inducement some say clear mark break of structure so clear no other blocks yeah so ati videos ama be ma bong try then jinzile se va leva bong ki maybe aka bong ewe mo o aka bong clarify we mo aka bong question you fe na bong ya understand me